Hello, in this short session, we are going to talk about one of the pandemic in 2020, it's coronavirus or COVID-19. In this session, we will apply or implement six thinking hats to write an essay about coronavirus or COVID-19. How can we start this? Now we have six thinking hats. Before we start the six thinking hats, we have to understand the problem we're going to write the essay about. The problem is coronavirus or COVID-19 may change from epidemic to pandemic. How could we guide people to control the spread of coronavirus? Now this is the problem. Before you start your final draft or your final essay about coronavirus, you have to use the six thinking hats to help you get ideas. The first hat will be the white hat. What is the white hat? The white hat is collecting data, facts, or information about the problem. So, our problem is coronavirus or COVID-19. What are the data? What are the facts? All the information related to this problem. Let's say number one, coronavirus infects the respiratory system. This is a fact. Number two, numbers of infected people with coronavirus increases tremendously. The number increases significantly all over the world. Three, number of deaths rises from 2% to 10% in some countries. According to the World Health Organization, they say that 2% of the infected people may suffer from death. But now this number increased to 10% according to some countries. So the number of deaths rises from 2% to 10% in some countries. Number four, Italy, and you know that it changed to be pandemic in Italy now. So Italy proved that coronavirus may be pandemic soon. Now I have collected four pieces of data or four facts or four pieces of information about coronavirus. This is the first hat. Now let's go to the second hat, the green hat. What is the green hat? Green hat means you have to get out or figure out all possible solutions that can work out to solve this problem. Let's talk about the first solution. Number one, follow prevention measures such as washing hands regularly and never touch your face or your eyes. Like this, you can control coronavirus to some extent. Number two, maintain social distancing. Social distancing from 1 meter to 3 meters. This is also an effective solution to control or to handle coronavirus. Three, create vaccine to cure the disease. And you know, scientists all over the world now are working together to find a vaccine. But until now, we could not find an effective vaccine to cure this serious disease. Number four, wear masks in populated areas. You can wear a mask to protect yourself if you are in a populated area. That's okay. These are four solutions that can work out to solve or to control or to handle the coronavirus. Now, let's go to the next hat. The next hat is the yellow hat. What is the yellow hat? You have to discuss positive solutions and giving reasons. So now we're going to discuss the most effective solutions and give reasons for these effective solutions. Solution one, number one, solution one can work out. If you go back to solution one, let me remind you, solution one was follow prevention measures such as washing hands regularly and never touch your eyes and face. This solution, like here, this solution can work out, but you have to say why. Why this solution can work out. Solution one can work out because prevention measures could control the spread of coronavirus. Also, solution two. Let's go back to solution two. What is solution two? Solution two was maintain social distancing from 1 meter to 3 meters. Also, solution two can work out because it is a guarantee neither to infect or be infected by the others or by other people. Let's go to the next hat. The next hat is the black hat. What is the black hat? Black hat discusses negative solutions. They are still solutions, but they are not effective. They are not effective in comparison with the positive solutions. They are still solutions. You can apply them, but they are less effective than the positive solutions. So you have to discuss what are negative solutions and why you think they are negative solutions. So the black hat, negative solutions with reasons. Number one, solution number four. If we go back to solution number four, wear masks in populated areas. That's okay. This is a solution. You can apply or implement this solution to help you control coronavirus disease. However, this solution is less effective. For example, wear masks in populated areas, that's okay, this is a solution. But it's better for you to what? To maintain social distancing from 1 meter to 3 meters. So which is more effective? Maintain social distancing is more effective than wear masks in populated areas. But still, wearing masks in populated areas is still a solution to control coronavirus, but it is negative to the other solutions. So let's go back to the black hat, negative solutions with reasons. Solution four, which is wearing masks in populated areas, may help. It may help, but you are still in danger to get the infection of coronavirus disease. Now, let's move to the last hat, the red hat. The red hat means compare positive solutions and choose the best. You have positive solution one, positive solution two, positive solution three, but which one is the most effective and which one is the least effective and why? For example, solution two, do you remember solution two? Let's go back to solution two again. Solution two was maintain social distancing from 1 meter to 3 meters. So I can say solution two is more practical and more effective than solution one. What was solution one? Solution one, follow prevention measures such as washing hands regularly and never touch your eyes and feet. Both are good solutions, are important solutions to control and to handle coronavirus disease. However, maintain social distancing is more practical than solution one. Why? Because it's a real guarantee. Neither infect other people nor be infected by the others. Both are good solutions, but solution two is more practical, more effective than solution one. Now we can go to the step of writing the essay after we discussed the thinking hats. Now, this is the title of our essay, Coronavirus, the Pandemic of 2020. Okay, Coronavirus, the Pandemic of 2020. Now, you have to start with introduction. What is the introduction? Simply, you can include hook and the thesis to start your introduction about this topic. Now, let's start with the hook. The hook is coronavirus or COVID-19 has become breaking news in 2020 that may change from epidemic to pandemic soon. This sentence is a hook. You attract the reader's attention to read more about your topic. The second sentence is the thesis. This smart virus, we are still in the hook. This smart virus spread, this smart virus spreads, not spread, I forget S. This smart virus spreads quickly like flu and as strong as SARS. Now we have finished the hook. Let's go to the thesis. The thesis is this research paper intends to provide data about coronavirus and guide people how to control this virus as much as possible. This is the thesis, the purpose of this research paper. So in your introduction, you can focus on two important points, the hook and the thesis. Let's go to the body paragraphs. I included 3 paragraphs in the body paragraph. Number 1, facts. Number 2, possible solutions. Number 3, the best solution with reasons. So the body paragraphs here includes 3 main ideas. Number 1, facts. When you want to write a paragraph, at least you should take into consideration these 2 points, topic sentence and details. Topic sentence and details. So I am going to start with the topic sentence like this. To begin with, coronavirus is considered a pandemic for several reasons. So this paragraph is going to talk about why I consider coronavirus and a pandemic, why I consider it as a pandemic. First, coronavirus infects the respiratory system, as I told you before in the white hat. Also, numbers of infected people with coronavirus increase tremendously, as I told you before in the white hat. Moreover, numbers of deaths rise from 2% to 10% in some countries. Finally, Italy proved that coronavirus may be pandemic soon. So these facts, if you go back to the white hat, you'll find that these are the facts we have collected in the white hats. But I start with the word to begin with. I connect sentences using first, also, moreover, and finally. The next paragraph or the second paragraph in the body will be about possible solutions. In the same way, you have to include these 2 main points, topic sentence and the details. Topic sentence and details. The possible solutions, you are going to mention what we have before hand talked about or discussed. This was the green hat. Because in the green hat, if you remember, we mentioned all possible solutions. Now, I'm going to start with the topic sentence. Many suggested solutions could be followed to control coronavirus disease. So this paragraph will talk about the possible solutions. In fact, follow prevention measures such as washing hands regularly and never touch your eyes and face can work out. And now give the reason. Because prevention measures could control the spread of coronavirus. Also, this means a second solution. Maintain social distancing from 1 meter to 3 meters can work out. Why? Give a reason. Because it is a guarantee neither to infect or be infected by other people. A third solution, moreover, wear masks in populated areas may help, but you are still in danger to get the infection. So in this paragraph, I talked about the possible solutions. And when you move from a sentence to another, you have to connect the words using transitional words, such as in fact, okay, moreover, also, yes, moreover, these are called transition words to help you to move from a sentence to another smoothly and simply. Let's go to the third paragraph in the body. It will discuss the best solution with reasons. As I told you before, all the above mentioned solutions can work out, but which one is the most effective? You have to implement all the possible solutions to solve your problem. However, there is one solution which is the most effective and the best solution for your problem. The best solution with reasons. In the same way, you are going to start with topic sentence, then details. What is the topic sentence? All solutions can handle the spread of coronavirus. That's okay. However, maintaining social distancing from 1 meter to 3 meters could be more effective. This could be more effective than other solutions. And you have to say why. Because you are 100% secure from infecting people or being infected from the others. Now we reach to the conclusion. What is the conclusion? Your conclusion should include two main points. Summary, you summarize your essay, and recommendation, give advice to people. So I start with in conclusion, coronavirus or COVID-19 has become the pandemic of 2020. However, prevention measures could handle the spread of the disease until effective vaccines are created. This is a summary because here in this sentence I talked about in this long sentence I talked about um, uh, why I write this essay. I summarized the main points of this essay. That's okay. And now in the second sentence, I'm going to give recommendation. I think it is the right time to understand the value of supporting each other regardless skin color, social status, or religion. Like this, you have reached the final frame of your essay. Your essay will be like this. This is the title, Coronavirus, the Pandemic of 2020. The first paragraph is introduction. The second, third, and the fourth paragraph is the body paragraphs or the body of the essay. And the last paragraph will be conclusion. Like this, you have reached the final draft of your essay using the technique of the six thinking hats. I hope you have got the benefit of this short session. I hope you get more information about coronavirus and how to handle or support the others to handle this serious disease. I wish this serious disease wouldn't change to be a pandemic. Okay, if you like this session, please you can subscribe um, to help us to make more sessions. Thank you very much. Bye.